still didn't give me anything. It even caused more congestion on my skin. Paula'S choice, Paula'S choice, Paula'S choice. Is this Paula'S choice worth the money? Does it work for your skin? Does it help with your acne? Does it do what it says it's gonna do? Because everyone has been hyping this toner, and I decided to buy it and try it out. Let's find out. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivian here. I'm a skincare esthetician. I give you product reviews on skincare products that are both cheap and expensive. I tell you how to take care of your skin, and I tell you the tips on how to make your skin feel and look better. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do click the subscribe button. I promise to make you proud. So today we're going to be talking about a very popular toner, a very expensive toner. Guys, this is like the most expensive toner I have used, and it is so expensive. Now let's check if it's actually worth the hype. And this toner is no other one than the Paula'S Choice exfoliating toner. It has 2% BHA, which is salicylic acid, helps to unclog and shrink enlarged pores, smoothing an even skin tone. Now I bought this one to try it out first before I restock it for my customers. But I don't know, this is the small one. This little thing here is 40,000 naira. It's like 30 ml and it's 40k. So the big one should be around 60, 70. At the pharmacist, the big one is around 110k, because I went to buy it from the pharmacy. It's 110k. I tried to run. I bought this one online. So I don't know how to check if this is the original or the fake. So I'm giving you a review based on what I have been using on my skin. My skin is clogged. I have clogged pores on my jaw and my nose, and I've been trying to take it out for ages. The only thing that worked for me then was salicylic acid by Neutrogena. That was my favorite, and I don't know why I didn't buy it again. I just decided not to buy it. I can try every other one, but as it stands, I think I'm gonna get it again. Now let's make a review on this. Salicylic acid is a skincare exfoliant. Exfoliates your skin. It is a BHA, beta hydroxyl acid. It is for exfoliation of skin, and it is best if you have dry skin, clogged pores, open pores, large pores. That is what it does. That is what salicylic acid does, and it is a very strong ingredient. So I have been using this for close to 2 months now. I use it 3 times a week, because you have to start small, only at night. Even though I've been using salicylic acid all my ever since I started skincare, salicylic acid have been the one I have been using, but not this particular brand. It has been Neutrogena, like I said. So I have never seen a salicylic acid that is moisturizing. Salicylic acid are meant to dry out your skin, then you moisturize with an external product. But this one, for a reason, I don't know if it has oil in it or if I bought the fake one, but this video is gonna be a short one because I have been using it for 3 months, and honestly I haven't really seen anything it did for my skin. My pores are still clogged, my face is still congested, my face still has texture. So this is what someone told me, that the salicylic acid, this one, didn't really do anything for their skin, clogged their pores and all those things. So that is why I said to buy it, to check it out and try if it really did. For the first time I used it, my face stung me a little bit. Second time, same thing. So I now decided to start using it 2 times a week to reduce the effect on my skin. Okay, at first I started putting moisturizer over my skin, and when I put moisturizer, then I'll use it so that it's not going to be too harsh for my skin, because my skin has been sensitive for a while now. Because yeah, my skin has been sensitive for a while. So let me show you guys how the texture is inside. And mind you, I don't use cotton pad to apply this. It's not watery, it is very thick, and I don't know, can you guys see how oily it looks on my skin? I don't know if it's just how it usually is or if I actually bought the fake one, like the girl said. But to be very honest, this was oily on my skin, and I have been having clogged pores. Normally, I don't usually have clogged pores. I have only this, yeah, clogging here and here. But I now started having clogged pores on my cheek and my forehead. I was like, what is it that I've been using that I've been doing all these things to my skin? At first, I decided to stop my centella, I stopped my peptide, I stopped a whole lot of things. I was using just my conscious chemist and my glycolic acid. I stopped salicylic acid, this one, because of the same reason. So I'm here to give you the review that this didn't do anything for my skin, and I will not be restocking it for now because I don't know if this is the fake, because the way everybody was talking about it, it seems like it was original and it seems like it works for everybody. I don't know why my own was different. So this didn't work for me, and I'll be giving it a 3 out of 10 because I spent money on this and still didn't give me anything. It even caused more congestion on my skin. Usually I told you guys I have congestions here and not here, but now I can have congestions all over my face. My face has become so sensitive. My face has become, I'm seeing expiry date 2020. The other one is cleaned. I don't know if it's the expired product that I bought. I don't know if I bought the expired one, but Paula'S Choice. I don't know if I bought the expired one. Paula'S Choice, if you see this video, I want you guys to, I don't know what I want you guys to do, but maybe tell us how to know the difference between the fake and the original. Or maybe because I bought the small one, maybe the big ones are the original ones, but the big ones are supposed to be more fake, even if they have fake ones than these ones, because those people that sell it will not want to waste their time copying a small bottle. So I don't know, what do you guys think? But I give it a 3 out of 10, and I won't recommend you guys to buy it yet until I check if it's the fake that I bought. And I'm going to make a video on the fake and the original. Let me know if it's the fake one I got. So don't use it for now so it doesn't get rude, so it doesn't ruin your skin. You know, when a product gets so popular, everybody will jump on it. Both China and bad people, everybody will start producing it. I think that's what happened with this one. Everybody started producing it. So I've come to the end of this video. I'm not impressed with the Paula'S Choice 2% BHA salicylic acid toner. So I've stopped using it. I just kept it, and I'm so scared to dash it out because I don't know if the person's skin is going to be more ruined than my own. Please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up.